So we have an M5 Competition up on our ramp right now, and we've done a middle section delete. We've put a Remus middle section exhaust system to help remove these two boxes here. So on this mid section here, we have removed 3 of the boxes. One of them is a middle box and the other 2 are OPFs. These killed a lot of sound, and when you have an M5 Competition you actually want to hear it. So now we have removed them, replaced it with a straight pipe. It's back on the car, and let's see what it sounds like.